guys, this is Liam 2.0, and I've never been more excited to record a video because today we're doing another unboxing. I know I do a lot of these on my channel, but like, this is a seriously exciting one. I have this massive package right here. I bet if I set it up on this table, it will pretty much cover me up. There we go. I am a talking box. It's just a box with a head. Also, in case you can tell that my voice is failing, it's like 10 o'clock at night, so that should also show you how excited I am for this, because I just got home from vacation to Universal, and this box was waiting for me, and I cannot wait to unbox it. Today, I'm unboxing a cinema camera. That's right, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. I could not be more excited for this. I'm getting an actual camera. Right now, I'm filming this on a camcorder, which is amazing for vlogging and stuff, but I want my main videos to just be the best quality they possibly can. How about 4K? I'm gonna stop stalling because I am so excited. I'm just gonna open this up, cut straight through the top of this package, and be very, very careful not to damage anything inside. Okay, flip it around, and we'll do this side as well. Then that's all that's holding me back from this. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna open the box towards you guys in 3, 2, 1... Okay, you can't even see anything. Well, this is extremely anticlimactic. Why don't I just start pulling some things out of this massive box? So first of all, we have just a ton of this plastic stuff. Why does this even exist? It's like, how many feet of this exists in this box? Whatever, we'll just get rid of that, throw it on the floor somewhere. Here is what I'm actually excited for. It's actually sort of heavy, but here is the Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. I don't want to waste another second. We're getting rid of this box, throw that over there, and this thing is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm actually holding it in my hands. I've been waiting for months for this. We paid so much money for this camera. I can't believe this moment has finally come. I know I'm freaking out over a tiny little box, but let's try to open this up. Just a bunch of plastic that I should be able to cut through pretty easily. And then I can tear all of that off nice and satisfyingly. And there it is. We're just left with the box, and we have a little sophisticated little opening method here. If I can figure out how to work it, I think I just pull on both of these, and it's gonna open. Here we go. Okay, I'm not quite sure how to open this. Ooh, I'm ripping the box. I didn't want to rip the box. This box is so beautiful, but it looks like it has to be done. This is what I met with inside, just a little packaging case. And I'm gonna go ahead and lift the top off of that, throw it aside, and pick up my camera. I'm holding it in my hands. The Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Let's get rid of that screen protector. Here it is in all of its glory. It's so much smaller than I possibly could have imagined. This thing records in 4K RAW, and it's this size. I won't get into any of the stats in this video because I don't know how much my audience knows cameras, but this is a really, really good camera. And look at this touchscreen. It has a 5-inch touchscreen on it. Normally when I'm using a camera, like even this camcorder, I'm used to a really, really small playback screen. This is going to be incredible. I cannot explain how excited I am to use this camera. There's going to be so much to learn and so much to play with, but I could not be more excited to do that. Really quickly, before we go, let's see what else is in the box. I'm going to carefully set that camera down there and open up this part. So we have, oh gosh, I'm dropping stuff. Here is a charger, I'm assuming, for the battery. Oh, it's a DC input. Okay, so that's just going to plug straight into the camera. We'll put that on the ground. And here we have some, I think it's universal adapters, so like if I go to different countries and stuff, I can use those. Here is a LPE6 battery, I believe, so this can fit into, yeah, LPE6, that can fit into the camera, so it's nice that it comes with one. I also bought some extras. And then we have all of the little instruction manuals and a free copy of Davinci Resolve Studio. So this is what I used to edit. Right now I use the free version, but with this, I can actually get access to all of the amazing color grading features. I was really scared I just opened that up and showed you guys the code to get into my Davinci Resolve, but I think it's fine. This is so cool. They've sent me a bunch of SD cards too with all the software manuals. That's pretty awesome. I guess when you buy something this expensive, they don't mind throwing in a few SD cards. So I know I made that sound like that was the last thing I was going to do, but right now, let's go ahead and try to play around with this camera a little bit. So let's take off the little lens protection, the sensor protection. Whoa, look how cool that looks inside. That's a fancy looking sensor. Let's grab a lens really quick. Right here I have a 25mm f1.7 lens. Some of you might know what that is. I'm gonna go ahead and just get this out of its little box and take off the covers on here. Let's get rid of that shade. Take this off, take the lens cap off, and let's see if I can go ahead and put this lens onto the camera. Just line up the red dots and then slip into place. There we go, nice little click. There we go, I've put my first lens on this camera. A good lens is just as important as a good camera. I'd also love to go ahead and mount my microphone onto the camera, but I don't really have the tools here to do that right now, so I'll fix that up later. This will be for B-roll audio. And for now, just to put it on display, I can set up a tiny little tripod and set the camera on it. There we go, guys. That is the Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4K unboxing. I cannot wait to start playing with this, and hopefully all of the new videos that you'll see on my channel will be in this amazing new quality using this amazing new camera. I am so excited if you can't tell from the way I'm speaking. I really need to end this now because I need to go start playing with this, so see you in another video. Bye!